Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a high school student. The cover letter example that I'm about to write applies to students that don't have any formal paid work experience. I will show you how to formulate your personal qualities and characteristics and relate these to the job requirements. But before we start, let me first emphasize on 5 important keynotes for writing your own version. First off, use a business letter format, so align left or justify text. Make the text single-spaced, except for the double spaces between paragraphs. Furthermore, use the appropriate font and font size. Pick Times New Roman, Arial or Calibri with a 10 to 12 point size for easy reading. Second, find out to whom you are writing to and address your letter directly to the reader, like Dear Mr. Taylor or Greetings Mr. Taylor, and try to avoid generic salutations like Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Hiring Manager, and especially not to whom it may concern. Thirdly, the main body text should highlight your qualities, characteristics, and enthusiasm for this specific position. If you have any major attributes, try to relate these to the job requirements and provide context. So what examples do you have that demonstrate your capabilities? Fourthly, avoid too many I statements. Remember, it's not about you, but what you can offer to the employer. You need to show that you know how to make a positive contribution to their organization. For example, tell the reader about your ambitions to develop your professional skills or contribute to their campaigns. Lastly, proofread your cover letter and check your spelling and grammar with the word spelling check. Also, double check the sender and receiver information before submission. Alright, follow up on these 5 keynotes, and if you have any questions thus far, leave a comment down below. Now let's start writing the cover letter example, shall we? Start off by listing your personal information on either the left or right side. Then include the date between double spaces, followed by the employer's name, job title and contact information. RE followed by application and the job position. Keep it short and concise. As for the salutation, know to whom you are writing to. In this case, we write down Greetings Mr. Taylor or Dear Mr. Taylor. In the first paragraph, you start off by expressing your interest for the job opportunity and or company you would like to work at. If you want to express your excitement, which is definitely a good thing, you can also say, I am keenly interested or I am thrilled. Furthermore, one of the best ways to get your foot in the door is by mentioning a professional connection to one of their current personnel. Other ways to grab the reader's attention is by showing that you did your research. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself, followed by your motivation for the position. Let the reader know why the company appeals to you, and show that you care. Your cover letter should be personal, and not something that can be copied and pasted to other employers. In order to personalize your cover letter, you need to do proper research on the background of the company and interests of this person. In the third paragraph, you can emphasize on your personal attributes and work experience. Key here is to not simply list them like in your resume, but to provide context. For example, if you claim to obtain communication skills, you need to back it up with some real-life experiences. Some students refer to a professional reference that they tapped from professors, coaches, or college personnel. Either way, you can highlight personal attributes with bullet points. In the last paragraph, you can express your motivation to discuss your potential contribution to, for example, their upcoming marketing campaigns. At the same time, you subtly initiate an interview. Also, inform the reader about the attachments and availability to ask any questions. At last, thank the reader for their time and consideration, and close your cover letter with yours sincerely or best regards in between white lines, followed by your name. A cover letter should be no longer than 5 paragraphs, 400 words, and fit on 1 page. Also, try to maintain an overall tone of voice that is confident, polite, and sincere. Alright, within just several minutes I wrote an example that students, without any experience, can use as an inspiration for writing their own version. Furthermore, I want to emphasize on the importance of matching your cover letter and resume layout. On this screen you can see neat and professional looking templates. Check out the link in the description if you want to download one of these templates, or if you want to check the cover letter example in text format. If you have any questions related to writing a cover letter for a high school student, don't hesitate and leave a comment in the comment section down below. See you next time. Bye!